The American Legal Code Library has powerful advanced search filters that can produce a variety of results. From the Advanced Filters window, you can search for exact phrases, synonyms, word stems, and more across the entire library, within specific codes, or within a specific section of code. I'm going to walk you through each of the advanced filters so that you know what each feature does. The first feature on the list is the Location to Search feature. This feature narrows the search by location. I can search for codes across the entire library, search codes in multiple states, or I can narrow my search down to specific municipalities within a state. Once a municipality is selected, using the pencil icon, I can further narrow down my search to specific sections of municipal code. Here's an example. I know there are dog licensing laws in either Title 1 or Title 3 of San Bernardino County's municipal ordinance, but I'm not exactly sure where they are. I can narrow my search down to these chapters, search for the word dog, and return the specific results I'm looking for. Some municipalities have more than one version of their municipal code stored online. The code version search feature allows the user to search for a specific version of a code. By default, it will display the most recent version of a code. If a code has multiple versions, you can select the version you want from the drop-down menu. Older archived versions of codes may not be current law. For current law, always refer to the most recent version of the code. Below the code version feature is an option to order your search results. You can choose between displaying the most relevant search results first or displaying the results according to document order. Most relevant results are displayed based on the frequency of the search term as it appears in the text. Document order displays search term results in the order that they appear in the code. You can also select the types of documents to include in your search. Your search can return codes only, meeting minutes only, or both codes and meeting minutes. The Show Document Excerpts in the Results List feature lets you pick the length of text snippets displayed in the results. You can pick from small, medium, and large snippets of text to view in your returned results. The Find Alternative Word Forms, or stemming option, is selected by default. This returns results for the same word but with different word endings, such as leash, leashes, and leashed. This helps you shorten the time you spend searching. Another helpful feature is the Find Synonyms feature. This returns results for similar words. A search for trash may also return results for litter or garbage. This is helpful if you're not sure what term to use. You can turn this feature on and off by checking the box. You can further narrow your search by using the options under the Search for Documents Containing header. Just type into the text field that applies to your search. Entering a search term into the Search Heading Only filter will narrow your search results to only those results with the search terms found in the chapter or section titles of the document. Filtering your results by all these words will narrow your search results to include only those documents that have all the terms you entered. None of these words will return results that exclude the terms you entered. You can also search for one or more of these words to return results that include one or more of the terms you entered. If you know the exact phrase you are looking for, you can filter your results by this exact phrase. The Code Library Advanced Search feature also includes a proximity search within 10 words of the term. This filter returns results for words that are near each other in the text. For example, if I search for the word dog and the word leash, this filter will return results where the search terms are within 10 words of each other, like they are in the sentence, all dogs must be kept on a leash. To reset the search filters, click on the X next to the words Reset Advanced Filters. If you need assistance using the advanced search filters, please contact us at 800-445-5588 or email us at techsupport@amlegal.com. Thank you.